Delighted to be able to show you a little extract from our 19s production, the story of 9 teenagers over the decades from 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, right up until now. 9 teenagers telling their stories in a verbatim style musical, and we've got this one song that we're going to show now from the Solihull School premiere is favourite sweets, in answer to the question that we asked all the people who we interviewed, what were your favourite sweets of the eras? And it ended up being the cast's favourite song for many of them.
Random question for everyone. What were your favourite sweets?
It's a wonder I've got any to eat that. I lived half an hour from school, saving my bus money to buy sweets.
No free pastures because you repair not sherbet left or pineapple front salad.
Buying sauces with shallots inside. Finger rush is just enough.
We had a tuck shop at school. 1 bar, 10p. Snack pack for 5p. Crunchy puffs 5p. Mid-morning sorted for 20p.
They were my favourite sweets. They were the highlights of my week. Were my favourite sweets. I make them last a week. I take the best of last. I wouldn't try to speak them fast. With just a single sound, I get a bag full of sweets for Woolies picnics.
Not doing much, I'm eating lots and lots of sweets. I got quite fast.